how to turn on or turn off call bearing for all outgoing calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on supplementary services. So after click on supplementary services, so after the process, click on call bearing. So after click on call bearing, so if you want to turn on or turn off call bearing, so click on call bearing and you will see all outgoing calls is here. So if you want to turn on or turn off, so after the process, you will see first option is all outgoing calls. So you will see if you want to turn on all outgoing calls, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see outgoing is turn on. So if you want to turn off all outgoing, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see all outgoing calls is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off all outgoing calls from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh one. So that's how you can turn on or turn off call bearing for all outgoing calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.